Hello, my beautiful people. You are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing popcorn. In this popcorn, we are using pressure pot to pop the corn. We are using pressure pot. And when you are using pressure pot, it will pop all the corn without a single one remaining. So like this channel, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel, and leave your comment on the comment box. Thank you. Yeah, my beautiful people. Today, as I say, we are going to make popcorn. And this popcorn, I'm going to use pressure pot to do it. And when you are using pressure pots, it comes out very well and very quick to pop. So we are going to use the pressure pots. When we add our oil, then I'm going to add a little of vanilla flavor to make it a special popcorn. So like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. See you in my next video. Thank you. So we are adding oil, just a little oil. I'm going to add a drop of vanilla flavor. Then I'll cover it. Allow it to pop. The popcorn is ready. I'm sprinkling. I'm adding sugar now. Yeah, guys, the popcorn is ready now. So I'm just adding sugar.